Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial I'll walk you through what all of this stand for and what they do, right? And first let us view our site, what we did from last tutorial. So this is what it's looking like right now, right? So if you have installed WordPress successfully on your server, so this is what it should look like, right? And this is what the dashboard, your dashboard should look like, right? All right, the first thing we need to know is what these items, what they do, right? So the first is the posts. So you know what posts are. You could add posts and categorize them and add tags, just as in this case. This is a recent post, right? And where you have comments and reply, so that's settled. You could also what we have here now is media, and media has two sub items, which are library, and you could add images. Click on add new, select a files, be it image, video, audio, and text files. So you could have that in your library. That is all under media section. And we also have the pages, right? Website is a website is made up of many web pages or a web page, right? So we need pages to get our website up and running. So this is an example of a web page, right? So this is the post page. Good. This is the page that has the post, right? All right, so we could add a page, right? And also edit and publish. So we'll get to that in a bit. So let me just quickly walk you through the rest. Now, comments. These are comments from the post that you had or you have. So this is the current post that we have, and there's the comments to the current post that we have. It's a post title. So here is a comment to this post, right? So and we have appearance. Now under appearance, what we have under appearance are themes, customize, widgets, menu, background, theme editor. Now themes are basically what beautifies your site. These are built, web pages, right? That brings more look, a look and feel to your site, right? And this area you could customize your theme, right? You could add change the site title, you could change the color, you could change the text size, the typography. So here we have the site identity. You could change the site title, you could adjust the colors, you could change its theme option, right? We'll get to all of this soon. And also add menus and widgets. All right, we'll get to all of that soon. Let me just walk you through the remaining items. Widgets, also menus, what we have here, right? So we'll get to that. Background and theme editor. This is basically if you do know your HTML and CSS and you want to make some changes, you can do that here in the theme files, right? So also plugins are also essential in building your site on WordPress. Right? Plugins are just software that add functionality to your site, right? So we could click on add new, and we can see tons of plugins, right? Like plugins to add events, plugins for theme members, plugins for forum. This adds some functionality to your site. So you can manage them and edit these plugins, and also manage the installed plugins also. So let's head over to user section. Now currently I am the only user, which is admin. You could also add new users to your dashboard, right? And these users can be controlled since you are the admin. You will also add those who are gonna post, those who are gonna edit this post, and those who are gonna ensure that they subscribe. So a whole lot of users. I think WordPress gives us yes, 1 2 3 4 5 users, right? So you could just create a username for them, first name, last name, and generate a password, right? So they'll be notified via their email that they have been added as a user, right? You could also change your profile right here and change the way their dashboard looks. So let's try it. Okay, now it's looking more like purple. Now the midnight. Okay, now so you could just try your hands on all of this and see what it does, right? So also in our tools here, we could decide to import. We won't be needing this for now because this is on the advanced level. So we could decide to import some WordPress theme, some WordPress sites, and export them, and store our data. So we're leaving this section for now. And settings also, you could also adjust your site title, update them here. The site URL also, that's what you have here. You could update them here, and also the post type. You can set the date format to how you want the dates to look like, right? So that can be set here, and the time also. I think this has a time. Does it? Yes, it does. So and save changes also. Writing, you can write, you can select how the writing settings. You can also where your mails will be sent to and what port. We're talking about all of this eventually, but mostly we'll be needing this and other plugins to be installing, right? So we could just head over here and let me talk about this also too. So we need a permalink, right? Something like this here that doesn't have to have index.html. It's just a nice way your URL appears, right? So we want to tell WordPress this is how I want my URL to appear. So this is how our URL is currently appearing right now. So there it is. You have your site domain, where it is stored, the date, and the name of the post. So that's what you have here. But I would change this and include just this because I wouldn't want to be seeing dates on my URL. It's not professional. So I'll just use post name. Just give me the URL, where it is located, and the name of the post or page, right? I think that's fine. Alright, if that's done, you can just save. Alright, and so I think I've done justice to what all of this stand for, right? So in my next video we will talk about installing themes and plugins for our websites and customizing them. All right, see you guys then.